Attention golf enthusiasts! If you like playing golf and you've heard of Villamartín Golf Course, then we have the right property for you. An easy maintenance 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment right in front of the Villamartín Golf Course, overlooking the entire golf course from an elevated second floor position in a really quiet complex with communal pool. Welcome to Villamartin, one of the most demanded areas on the Costa Blanca, known for its vibrant atmosphere, lush green landscapes and beautiful golf course views. This immaculate first-floor apartment is positioned right beside the Villamartín Golf Course. Inside, a bright open-plan layout connects the living room, dining area and a modern kitchen. The kitchen comes fully equipped with white goods, including an oven, microwave and fridge. Elegant new tiles and stylish furnishing give the space a fresh, contemporary feel. A cozy reading corner creates the perfect spot to relax and unwind after a day on the course or at the beach. From the main living areas, large glass doors open onto a spacious terrace, an inviting place to enjoy the fresh air and panoramic views across the golf course and the community pool. With comfortable garden furniture, it's ideal for outdoor dining, morning coffee, or simply appreciating the scenery. The community offers a large swimming pool surrounded by natural green areas, perfect for sunbathing and socializing. Beautifully maintained gardens create a calm, private atmosphere, making this complex a true retreat. When you feel like exploring, the beautiful beaches of Orihuela Costa are just about 3 kilometers away. Everyday conveniences, including shops, restaurants, pharmacies and banks, are all within a short walk, ensuring everything you need is close at hand. Back inside, the apartment features 2 spacious double bedrooms, both with built-in bathrobes. The master bedroom enjoys direct access to the terrace, allowing you to wake up to the peaceful golf views every morning. There are 2 bathrooms, a family bathroom and a guest WC, both tastefully updated with modern finishes. A separate utility room includes a washing machine for added convenience. Set within an exclusive and secure community of just 16 apartments, this property offers a rare blend of elegance, comfort and location. This key-ready apartment in Villamartin is ideal as a permanent residence, a holiday retreat or a smart investment in one of the Costa Blanca most prestigious areas. If you have any questions about this property or you would like to arrange a viewing, simply contact us. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and follow our social media. Thank you for watching.